Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is houses we live in for class first, subject EVS. Objectives. Students will be able to first recognize different types of houses: kacha, pakka, igloo, tent, slit house and caravan. Understand the purpose of a home, learn about house building materials, appreciate the importance of a clean and safe home. So, these are the objectives. Now, next, introduction. Teacher will introduce the topic by asking riddles. Like, for example, I am made of ice, I am round and small. In freezing lands, I house them all. So, answer will be igloo. So, you can give any other riddle you want to ask from the students. Next, teacher will use a big chart, or you can use PPT or real model of kacha house, pakka house, igloo, tent, stilt house or for caravan. So, and then one by one you will tell about all these houses. Like kacha house is made of mud and straw, pakka house is made up of bricks and cement, igloo ice blocks, tent canvas, stilt house wood on poles, caravan movable home. So all the houses you can explain them one by one. Now, next activity. So, first is role play. So, you can assign some roles to the students. Like, one can be a builder who pretend to build, a mother sweeping the floor, a family living in a stilt house in floods, a caravan driver. So, let students say 2 3 lines like, I live in a house made of, my house keeps me safe from. So, students can do this role play. Now, craft activity in which you can give them popsicle sticks, cotton, colored paper, glue. So, students can make different houses using cotton for igloos, straw for tents, for huts, craft sticks for stilt houses, and then they can present their creations. Like, for example, this is my house. It has a red roof and a big window. So, any line students can tell by showing their craft. Next, house sorting game in which students will be given to in which students use flashcards of permanent house and temporary house, and teacher will be asked students to sort out. Like, for example, permanent house, so students will say flat or bungalow. Temporary houses like tent, caravans, these are the temporary houses. So you can explain them the permanent and the temporary houses, and then you can ask students to sort all these houses, whether it's permanent or temporary. Spin the house wheel game. So you can create a cardboard wheel with the different houses, and child will say first, they will one by one will come to you and spin the wheel, and then whichever house will come, student will tell the name of the house, what it is made of and where it is found. Now, conclusion. Ask students, what kind of house do you live in? Can we all promise to keep our homes clean and safe? Now, this is the worksheet. Match the following. So, tent, igloos, hut, and stilt house. So, students can match the worksheet. And teaching aids, I'm writing at the back, so you can write wherever you want. So, flashcard, chart paper, craft material in which glue, cotton, color, paper, straw, sticks were used, spin wheel of different house. So this is the lesson plan of the topic house we live in for class first. Thank you.